with his song. I heard he sang a good song. I heard he had a style, and so I came to see him, to listen for a while. And there he was, this young boy, a stranger to my eyes, strumming my pain with his fingers, singing my life with his words, killing me softly with his song, killing me softly with his song, telling my whole life with his words, killing me softly with his song. I felt so flushed with fever, embarrassed by the crowd. I felt he found my letters and read each one out loud. And I prayed that he would finish, but he just kept right on, strumming my pain with his fingers, and singing my life with his words, killing me softly with his song, killing me softly with his song, telling my whole life with his words, killing me softly with his song. And strumming my pain with his fingers, and singing my life with his words, and killing me softly with his song, and killing me softly with his song, and telling my whole life with his words, killing me softly with his song.
Oh, Tash. Know as much as when that song started, I was dying to pick up my mic and be like the Look at Rachel in the background. One time. I could have totally done that for you, but I gotta be honest, that version was stunning. I think I prefer that to the original. That was lush. Your voice is just stunning. Well done, babe. Zoe.
I think that was my personal favourite performance of yours yet. That was absolutely, captivating. Like, you were proper going through the passion that was coming through then. I was like, yes, girl. I was like, go on. You were proper, like you were getting, like, tamping. Like, it was like you were proper going for it. It was beautiful. Like, that's all I gotta say. You just keep getting better and better every week. I loved that. It was amazing. Well done.
Thanks, Emily.
Yeah, that was such a powerful performance, and that song really showed off your vocal capability. The break in your voice, I love that. And I love how you built the song as well, so you started off really soft and then you come to the powerful bit. And I mean, you look so much more confident from last week as well. That was a brilliant performance. Well done.
Thanks, Julian.
There's my mic going. Natasha, again, like I just said to Chris, I think you've really outshone yourself tonight. Now, at first, I was thinking, right, because I could see you kept shutting your eyes, I think, oh, she's a little bit nervous here. So I don't know if there was a little bit there, but you handled it really, really well. So I got to give you that, because sometimes taking a step forward, you know, like coming up the stand and things like that, it takes time to get comfortable with it. So I got to commend you, applaud you for that. But in terms of vocal and what you did with that song was that you built it, and you built it super well. Because at first I was like, oh, where's it going? It's going, it kept it quite subtle and quite dark and quite husky and raw, and then it started to get bigger and bigger. And I think, I'm glad you actually brought back that power a little bit too. Even though you've been doing this unique thing with your songs, but you still got that power which we know, and that came through in this today, and people got to see you really, really push yourself and what you could do vocally. So well done, because you played really well on that. I don't know if you realised you was doing it, but the way you built that, it got bigger and bigger and bigger, and then you dropped it back down to end. The performance, your outfit, I thought that was bang on. But you honestly, however you arranged this in your mind this week, because I know you haven't had much time to prepare, you honestly, best performance so far this season. You should be really proud of yourself, Tash. You're on the right path, girl. You're on the right path. Well done.
Thanks, Joey.